Pooja Kulkarni, and today I will be teaching a small topic which is vital statistics, its meaning and uses. So this topic is there in the statistics 2nd PUC syllabus or the 12th standard syllabus. So first, let's start. There are so many living beings, right from bacteria, fungus till big animals, all these are living beings. But the maximum importance is given to humans, we humans. Everything revolves around humans. The government is making policies for us. Everything that is going on is revolving around the life of humans. So, in the life of the human being, like in all the living beings, human being is the most important. And out in the human being's life, there are many important events like birth, death, marriage, adoption, education, sickness. All these are called as the important events or the vital events of human life. So same way here, the word vital means important. So the statistics which deals with these important events, that is the births, deaths, etc., is called as the vital statistics. So important, the word vital means important. So the important events which are births, deaths, statistics dealing with these important events is called as vital statistics. So here you will see the meaning. Vital statistics refers to the collection, analysis and interpretation of numerical data of vital events occurring in the human population. So which are the vital events in the life of a human? The first thing is birth, then death, marriage, etc. So this was the meaning of the word vital statistics. Now we shall deal with the uses of vital statistics. So here I have made a you can say code for you to remember these points, because in exam it is easier when you have the key points. So here are some key points to remember the uses of vital statistics. So you can make small words like this. So I have made a small word MAD. So here first one M. Vital statistics is useful in medical research. So M stands for medical research. Vital statistics is very much useful in medical research. The second one is A. A is actuarial science. Vital statistics is useful in actuarial science. What is actuarial science? Actuarial science means the science related with insurance. So insurance companies, they use these vital statistics for fixing of their premium. Next is D. Demographic research. Now what is demography? Demography means the study of population. So to study about population, they use the vital statistics because they come to know how many births have taken place, how many deaths have taken place, population is increased or decreased. So it is useful in the demographic research. Next is the development of the country. When this vital statistics is used for the population demographic research, it will be helpful for the government to make plans and help in the development of the country. So that is D. Next one is I. International point of view. Vital statistics is very much useful in the international point of view to compare the growth of one country with another, the population of one country with another, and many such ways. Last one is government agencies. So vital statistics is useful for government agencies for framing of policies. Framing of policies for unemployed people, for poverty, and for many other family planning programs, etc. So it is useful for the government agencies to make policies and plans. So we have completed